Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Fin Homes. Analyst maintains buy with an unchanged price target of Rs 850. AUM growth is set to improve to 15% for FY26 versus sub 10% for FY25. Despite challenges in its key market Karnataka and Telangana driven by healthy disbursement growth of 40%, investment in tech and IT process would improve overall efficiency in the long run for the organization. Stock price is down more than 30% over the past 5 months, which could see reversal trend driven by a pickup in growth, steady NIMs, stable asset quality, strong ROE and reasonable valuation. Hence, we maintained our buy rating with a price target of Rs 850. At the current market price, the stock trades at 1.2x its FY27 book value. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.